Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to find copper in Minecraft. First, understand that copper ore is a common resource found throughout the overworld. It generates in veins, similar to iron and coal, but has a distinct greenish-orange texture. You'll primarily be looking for it underground, so prepare for a mining expedition. Having a good light source and a sturdy pickaxe will make your search much more efficient. To maximize your chances, focus your mining efforts between Y levels 0 and 64. This is where copper ore generates most frequently. While you can find it higher up, these lower depths offer the best yield. Any pickaxe made of stone or a stronger material will successfully mine copper. Consider using a fortune enchantment on your pickaxe to get more raw copper from each block. Copper ore can be found in all overworld biomes, but it's particularly prevalent in dripstone and lush caves. These new cave generations often expose large areas of rock, making it easier to spot ore veins. Keep an eye out for the distinct greenish-orange blocks embedded in the stone. Exploring these expansive cave systems is often more efficient than traditional strip mining for finding large quantities of copper. Once you've gathered raw copper, smelt it in a furnace to create copper ingots. These ingots are essential for crafting various items, including lightning rods to protect your builds and spyglasses for long-distance viewing. Copper blocks also have unique aging properties, changing color over time, which is great for building aesthetics. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.